we have to find value of a. We have given here triangle, and the sides of this triangle is a. So it means that we have here equilateral triangle, 3 congruent sides we have. These sides are congruent. What else? We know that equilateral triangle has the same angles. So these 3 angles are congruent too. And we know that measures of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So we can first write equation that sum of these 3 angles is 180 degrees. Because we have given this angle by this expression, it means that this angle has the same and that has the same expression too. So we have 3 angles given by this expression. So we can write that we have 3 times 2a plus 32 degrees, and this is equal 180 degrees because sum of measures of this interior angles of our triangle is 180 degrees. So now we can divide both sides by 3 and let's forget about degrees. So we will have divide by 3, 3 and 3 we can reduce, and we have 2a plus 32 is equal 180, divide by 3 is 60, so we have 2a is equal 60 minus 32. I just moved 32 to the right side, so I have to change the sign. So we have 2a is equal 28. Now we will divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 we can reduce, and we have that a is equal 28 divided by 2 is 14. We found value of a. So this is my solution.